Hello guys, so in this video I will be reviewing this gadget that I just got yesterday. It is the humidifier. It is the USB colorful humidifier. Wow, it doesn't say the company name. That's weird. But nonetheless, it is a humidifier and I want to test it out in front of you guys. Now, full disclosure, I did try it out yesterday because I was super excited and I love the results, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Ta-da! All right, so it comes like this. I think there are different shades on the box. They have a lot of things just fell, but okay. They have in white, they have in pink, and then they have it in gray. Now I got the gray one. You can't choose. I don't think you can choose. You just get whatever is available, and I got the gray one and it matches my outfit, so I am not complaining. So this is a USB device. It comes with a USB cord, which is opened up, of course, because I already tried it. It's already pretty humid where I live, so I never really needed to get a humidifier, but this is also a lamp, which is what intrigued me. So it comes with a little bit of this thing. I was not sure what this is, but I'll tell you what it is in a second. It also comes with instructions, which are not very useful. So I just looked up videos on YouTube to help me understand what needs to be done, but have no fear because I got you there. I'll tell you what needs to be done. So, and then I'm gonna open it up. It's pretty tight, which is a good thing because you won't have any spillage. I'm just gonna open this up. So it looks like this. And remember this that I just showed you? It goes in here. So you basically get two of these. This one came how it is, like that. So what do is you take a bowl, you take this thing out, you take some water, you pour some water in there. I already have some water in here from yesterday, so. And then you are going to take one of these and you're going to soak it inside the water for a minute. You can either do this or you can just leave it under running water for a minute, and that's all that needs to be done. Once it's fully soaked, you take this little stick thing. It's recommended to first put this thing in the lid. You live and you learn. And then I'm going to stick the other end in there and attach it so it goes inside. Then I am going to take this and close it like that. All right. Now, because it's so tight and sealed, you don't have to worry about the water going anywhere. So that is fantastic. Then I'm going to take the USB cord and put this part in here, and I'm gonna put the other part inside my USB outlet. So I had to change your position up a little bit because my USB cord was not reaching my camera setup. Now that I've connected the USB, let's show you some magic. All right, I'm gonna get out of the frame. Don't want to distract anybody. Push it once and you see that light. You see all the beautiful colors, and then you see the steam coming out. It's nice and cool. Okay, let me try to dim this a little bit. All right, so these are all the lovely colors coming from here, and you see that steam. So what I've also done is, because this is a diffuser, you can also put whatever essential oils you want to put in there. So I just put some perfume. I sprayed a little bit of my perfume in here, so it also gets this nice fragrance all over my room. And look, we're not done yet, okay? Now you push this one more time. Nothing happens. You push it for a little bit, and you watch it change its colors. We have blue, we have yellow, we have a fluorescent neon, darker green, and teal, another shade of blue, purplish, pink, mauve, blue, and I think it also does like a white, purple. So it is color changing. Oh, we have pink. Okay. And you see that the air is like permanent, it's coming out. So what you can also do is, if you press it one more time, you will get this intermittently. Like, there. It starts diffusing, lovely, beautiful steam, and then it stops. So if you want to leave it all night, this is what you can do. So it's gonna go on its own, and then it stops on its own. And there you go, it's done. So recap: one press, all the lights, and we have the steam. Press it one more time and the steam becomes intermittent, starts and stops, and then you push it for a little bit and it starts changing its colors and the steam. There you go. So nice. I hope the colors are showing up on my phone camera. There you go. And you can actually use your hands to spread it a little bit. There, and it goes all over. Isn't it so nice? And the best part for me is it doesn't make any sound. It's quiet. So because I wanted to use it for my video backgrounds for another channel, which is anonymous, so you might not know about that one, but I wanted to use it for my YouTube, and if it made a sound, then it would be pretty unusable for me, which is why the fact that this gadget makes no sound and just has this lovely diffuse effect happening, it is absolutely perfect for me, especially at night if you want to sleep without any noise and just that nice warm like scent. You can put any essential oils in there, any perfume like what I did, or even rose water if you like that. You can put that inside with the water and just enjoy. And it has a nice like cooling sensation. I'm sitting without the AC right now, and I'm sitting without the fan because the fan is so loud and my AC suddenly stopped working. So this is just so nice, relaxing, but I do need the fan. So I am going to be done with this video. Let me know what you think of the gadget. The price, I'll let you know the price. So the price over here, it says it's for $7.99. I got it online for $4.99. It is available on Amazon. It's available on Flipkart. So if you are interested, I'll be very happy if you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment and the description. It's an affiliate link. So if you want to help me out a little bit, help use. Oh wow! Look at that! Ooh, look at that! I'm having too much fun playing with this thing. Okay, I can't stop playing with this thing. So yeah, the link will be in the pinned comment if you're interested.
2,000 years later.
And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh my gosh, what is this hair? Trying to film a video, not the time to break right now. Jeez.